Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today I got another cool unboxing for you guys. If you guys remember, I had the Razr phone and I just couldn't stand the brightness, the screen brightness on that phone. It was not bright at all. So I went ahead and I was able to sell that on eBay for basically the same price that I paid for it. So I got my money back on that, and I have picked up something that I've had before, kinda. If you guys remember, I had the S9 Plus at one point. So what's in this box is very similar to that. I'm going to take this 3.5mm headphone jack, use it as an unboxing tool. And I actually did pick this up on Amazon. It was shipped and sold by Amazon, so it's not a third-party seller. It does have the full US warranty on it. So I don't know if you can see it peeking through there, but what I have is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus unlocked in coral blue. And if you guys remember, I had the, sorry, I said S9 Plus, this is the S9. I had the S9 Plus in black when it came out, and I really like that phone, but I had the Note 8 at the time. As you guys know, I sold that one as well. I had the Note 8 at the time, so I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use, so I went ahead and I sold it because I had other phones that I wanted to review and stuff like that. So this is the S9 in coral blue. Like I said, it is unlocked by Samsung, so it is fully carrier unlocked, no carrier bloatware, no carrier boot screen, nothing like that. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and take a look. And I did pick this up, like I said, on Amazon for the regular price of $7.19, so I didn't pay any extra. If I picked it up at Best Buy unlocked, it would have cost me about $30 more, just because, you know, Best Buy has to make their money, and they don't like selling the phones unlocked. So let me move the camera down a little bit, and we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here we go. Right on the top here we have the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is the instruction manual and all your paperwork, as well as your SIM eject tool on the back there. So we'll go ahead and put that to the side. Here is the phone, brand new in the box. Like I said, very, very nice. We're going to also put that to the side and take a look at what else we get in the box here. So as always, you get your USB-A to USB-C connector. That is for plugging into anything with USB-C, so you can plug in your USB-A cable and transfer your data if you need to do that from an old phone or something like that. That is the only thing right there. And then in here we have your USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, your tuned by AKG headphones right here, and your extra ear tips for your AKG headphones as well, the different sizes. And then right here, last but not least, we have the adaptive fast charging brick to fast charge your Galaxy S9. And depending on where you pick this up, this packaging may look a little bit different. Some carriers have different packaging for the devices for some reason, but that is just how they do it. Don't know why. And then last but not least, we have the phone itself. And like I said, this is in the coral blue. So I'm going to go ahead and peel everything off here. Take this sticker off. I don't know why they put that sticker on there. They could definitely put that somewhere else. And there's one on the front. Take that off as well. There we go, nice and shiny. You know, getting fingerprints on it already. I did get the coral blue because I think it will attract less fingerprints than the black one, or they'll be, you know, harder to see. But there we go, we have the S9 Plus. There's also some plastic on the sides here that I got to peel off. I'll do that later. That's one of those things. Samsung just started putting that on the S9. A lot of people thought the S9 was actually peeling, but there actually is plastic protecting the metal edges of it. So that's what that is. But this has been Colin with Techout. I will leave a link to where you can pick up an S9 or S9 Plus on Amazon if you guys want to check them out. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will be doing some more videos on the S9 as I use it. Thanks, and have a great day.